In this video, we're going to go over this RAINPOINT garden hose that has 8 different functions. I'm going to show you all the pros, all the cons. We're going to hook it up to the hose and I'll show you all the different ways that it sprays. The first thing you're going to notice is that it is pretty heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. It is made of zinc alloy, so super tough. It's not going to corrode. In the package, you get this nozzle. There's an O-ring in there and you get 2 backups, so that if the seal ever breaks, you can get put a brand new one in place. This is operated using your thumb. So over top of the zinc alloy, there's also some stainless steel components to this and some plastic parts. So this ring is plastic. It's very easy to adjust the spray pattern that you want. To turn it on, you simply pull this down with your thumb. And once you turn it on, the pressure that you want, it'll hold that and stay. So you can adjust this and then let go and just water all that you want. So let's hook this up to the hose and I'll show you all the different sprays that it offers. All right, we've attached it to the hose. All you gotta do is screw this on and it's super easy to do. Now let's look at the different spray functions. So this is the first one. It is just one line and that is a nice spray. It's probably spraying about 10 yards and the power, it's not a lot of power, but enough to wash. If you click to the next one, it's more of a fine stream. The next one is a nice mist. I don't know if you can see that. There's a very nice mist. So if you like to water using misting, the next one is just, it's basically like a hose. So if you're filling up a flower pot or something like that. This next one here is great for giving your pets a bath. It's a soft spray, so it's not gonna hurt them, but it's a wide area, it covers a wide area so you can get a lot done. The next one is very similar to that, but it's a little bit more of a wide spray. Then we got this one. It's kind of like a water fountain. Spreads out really nicely. So if you're watering grass, then you have this one. And then we're back to the start. Now, as you'll see, I have this on full blast. If I lower it, if I lower the pressure, it'll stay there. So I don't have to keep my thumb on there. Now, the biggest pro of this whole thing is, one, it's very comfortable. 2, this is very easy to use, this thumb control system. So you don't have to be squeezing a trigger out here. You can do this with one hand or you can do it with 2 hands. But the best part is wherever you set this, however much pressure you want, it'll stay there. So it adjusts just like that. The only con that I have with this particular nozzle is if you don't like to use the thumb control. Some people like to have a trigger instead, or the fireman type hose like this. But if you're fine using your thumb, it takes a little bit of effort, but not too much. That's the only con. Otherwise, this thing is fantastic. So if you're looking for a fantastic garden hose nozzle, this one by RAINPOINT is fantastic. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to grab one of these, there's a link in the description below. Please hit like on this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.